Sure, I can delete the videos, get monetized, and all this other stuff. I don't care. I don't like when I click on the videos that are flagged. It's the ones me and my girl. It's the ones that literally I talk
Have
about
nothing to do with cannabis.
the mental health. Well, yeah, there's pictures of,
Right.
and I'm like, smoke this shit because it'll make you feel better and grow it too. You know, basically like the healing frequencies of nature and being out in nature and grounding and putting your feet in the soil, waking up in the, going to your grow. I like to stretch. I like to go in there. I burn a little incense. I'm a little bit of a little hippie. I like to say sometimes. I don't know if I look like it, but I burn incense. Palo Santo. I'm in there in my grow and I'm like doing stretch and I'm doing yoga and I'm like recharging, right? Like I like to call it.